Next problem, fourth one. Find Fourier transform of f of x is equal to 1 minus x square for mod x less than or equal to 1, and the function is 0 for mod x greater than 1. Evaluate integral 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x by x cube cos x by 2 dx. Find Fourier transform అన్నారమ్మా. Fourier transform అంటే ఈ పవర్స్లో ఉండేది. ఓకే, జస్ట్ Fourier transform అంతే, ఇంక మధ్యలో సైన్ కాస్ ఏం లేదు. Fourier transform. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్? Fourier transform of f of x is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity e power isx f of x dx. What is the function f of x? Here the limits for x are minus infinity to infinity, but fx defined in the mod x less than or equal to 1 only, means minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. That means minus 1 to 1 లోపలే ఫంక్షన్ డిఫైన్ అయింది. కాబట్టి లిమిట్స్లో ఏది వ్యాలిడ్ అమ్మా? minus 1 to 1లో మాత్రమే ఫంక్షన్ డిఫైన్ అయింది, అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 0. నౌ యూ రైట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ minus 1 to 1 e power isx. ఈ ఇంటర్వెల్లో మాత్రమే ఫంక్షన్ డిఫైన్ అయింది. హౌ కెన్ ఇట్ డిఫైన్? f of x is equal to 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now it can be written as integral minus 1 to 1 minus x square into e power isx dx. This is in the form of integral u dv. Integral u dv, integration by parts. It is uv minus integral v dv. What is u here? 1 minus x square is u, e power isx dx is this one. U is equal to 1 minus x square, e power isx dx is dv. Now v is integration of this value, that is v is equal to e power isx by is. Now substitute these values in here. Integral u dv means, what is integral u dv? Already ఇది ఉంది, integral u dv ఉన్నట్టు. What is its value? Two terms we get, u into v. What is uv? First term uv. u means 1 minus x square, v means e power isx by is. This one uv minus integral v du. ఇది v అమ్మ, du వచ్చేసి ఇది u అయితే du వచ్చేసి minus 2x dx అవుతుంది. ఏమవుతుంది? ds minus 2x dx అవుతుంది. Now the first term u into v minus integral v du. This is v, du means minus 2x dx. Substitute here. Now there is no integration in the first term. Apply minus 1 to 1 limits. Apply minus 1 to 1. You get first 1 పెడతాము x place లో. 1 minus 1 means 0. Next minus 1 పెడతాం. 1 minus 1 whole square అంటే plus 1. 1 minus 1, again it becomes 0. So apply limits minus 1 to 1. We get the first term is 0 into anything is 0. Next minus 1 whole square means plus 1. 1 minus 1, again it is 0. So for both limits this value becomes 0 completely. This first term in the bracket completely 0. Now you see this one. This is integral, minus is there, some function into minus 2x into dx. So minus 2x bring outside, minus into minus, plus 2 అవుతుందమ్మా, plus 2. Here is is there, no x term, కాబట్టి that one bring outside of the integral. You get plus 2 by is. What are the remaining terms? Integral minus 1 to 1 x into e power isx dx. Now this is also in the form of integral u dv. But u is equal to x and dv is e power isx dx. This is like integral u dv. ఇందాక u వచ్చేసి 1 minus x square మా, ఇప్పుడు u వచ్చేసి x, dv సేమ్ అదే, e power isx dx. u is equal to x అయితే du is equal to dx అయిపోతుంది నేరుగా. Now apply this one, 2 by is constant. What is integral u dv? uv minus integral v du. What is uv? x into v means e power isx by x, v du minus integral v ఇది, du means dx. ఎందుకంటే u is equal to x కాబట్టి du means dx. Now for this term apply minus 1 to 1. What we get? Minus 1 to 1. First apply 1. We get this one, 2 by is. 1 first apply 1 into e power is by is minus 1 పెట్టాలి, minus 1 అంటే plus 1 into e power is into minus s means minus 1 means e power minus is. రెండింటికి కలిపి is పెట్టేసాం. What about this? Minus ఈ is బయట తీసేసాం. Just integration e power isx dx. Its integral is e power isx by is. Now apply limits for this one also minus 1 to 1. Okay, what you get? 2 by is. This one e power is plus e power minus is is 2 cos s by is minus this one is into is e power iss. Apply limits for this one minus 1 to 1. What we get? E power, you apply limits for this one. Now apply limits this minus 1 to 1. You get for the second one 1 by is constant, bring outside, then 1 by is is there. For x you apply first 1 e power is 1 means e power is minus e power minus is by is. You observe ma 2 by is ఇక్కడ by is ఉంది 1 by is బయట తీసేస్తే 2 cos s ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ మైనస్ ఒక is బయట తీసేసాం కాబట్టి ఇంక ఇక్కడ ఒక is ఉంది 1 by is. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ పవర్ తీటా మైనస్ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ తీటా ఉంది కాబట్టి 2i sin తీటా లాగా వస్తుంది. ఇది తీటా ప్లేస్లో s ఉంది అనుకోండి. నౌ వీ గెట్ ద సెకండ్ టర్మ్ minus 1 by is 2i sin s. Now this can be written as 2 by I square s square. I square అంటే minus 1 కాబట్టి 2 by s square మిగిలింది. I square ప్లేస్లో minus 1 ఉన్నట్టు అర్థం. 2 cos s minus sin s by s. This is f of x. This is f of x. Now let s LCM తీసుకుంటే by s ఉంది. s cos s minus sin s. ఈ by s ని కూడా బయట తీసుకెళ్ళండి. s క్యూబ్ అవుతుంది అంటే 4 ఆల్రెడీ s స్క్వేర్ ఉంది 4 by s స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ LCM s తీస్తే అది బయట తీస్తే s క్యూబ్. LCM s తీసాం కాబట్టి s cos s అవుతుందమ్మా. s cos s minus sin s by minus 4 by s cube in the outside. Now that is equal to 4 by s cube sin s minus అంటే మైనస్ తో కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేసేసానమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ sin s minus s cos s which is f of s. ఎందుకంటే f of x is f of s. Deduction by using inverse Fourier transform, f of x is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity e power I minus isx f of x ds. That is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to infinity e power isx. F of s means 4 by s cube sin s minus s cos s ds. Now it can be written as 4 constant bite తీసేయండమ్మా. 1 by 2 pi into 4 integral minus infinity to infinity. In place of e power minus I sin x, you put cos x minus I sin sx into this one sin s minus s cos s by s cube. Already 4 bite తీసేసినాం ds. Now cancel this 2. We get 2 by pi integral minus infinity to infinity. First term cos x into this sum. What is that? Cos sx into sin s minus s cos s by s cube ds. First integral. ఈ 2 by pi కామన్ అమ్మా. లోపల 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇది సింగిల్ టర్మ్ అనుకోండి. cos x into this term ఫస్ట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ మైనస్ I sin x into this term సెకండ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్. అన్నిటికీ ఈ 2 pi ఉంది అందుకే పెద్ద బ్రాకెట్ పెట్టాం ఇక్కడ. మైనస్ I into ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin sx sin s minus cos s by s cube. Now you observe here this one is odd function minus odd function by odd function even function. Similarly this is odd minus odd by odd into odd even into odd function. So for odd function this term is 0. Next this even function, this can be written as 2 by pi integral minus infinity to infinity cos x into something. Okay, now only this integral is equal to 2 by pi aside lesser pi by 2 into f of x. Substitute f of x value for x mod x less than 1. At x is equal to 1 by 2, this first integral, you substitute this one, you get this RHS. Now put in place of s on both sides, you get this value. Now write, finally you get minus 3 by pi 16. Okay, substitution these values. 2 into integral 0 to infinity, you get this one.